If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Etsy, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. This process will guide you through disabling and re-enabling two-factor authentication. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to navigate to your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to access your two-factor authentication settings and other security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and select the option to disable it. You may be asked to verify your identity through an email or SMS code. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up again, choosing your preferred method of authentication such as SMS or an authentication app. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication should be reset, and you can continue using your Etsy account securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Etsy support for further assistance.